Collaborative problem solving, mastering group dynamics. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collaborative problem-solving techniques. As you navigate your way through group study, it's essential to tackle issues collectively. Join us as we explore how you can enhance your group communication skills and resolve conflicts effectively. Collaborative problem-solving is when team members work together to find a solution to a problem. It leverages the diverse skills, knowledge, and perspectives of each individual, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. 1. Diversity of thoughts. Everyone thinks differently, and that's a strength. By collaborating, you gain access to a variety of viewpoints. 2. Shared responsibility. Instead of one person carrying the burden, the group shares the challenge, leading to more comprehensive solutions. 2.1 Open communication. Encourage every member to speak up. Listen actively, ensuring you understand the speaker's point before responding. 2.2 Brainstorming. This is the time to put all ideas on the table, no matter how unconventional. Remember, no judgment at this stage. 2.3 Critical evaluation. After brainstorming, assess each idea's feasibility. Make decisions based on logic and the group's best interests. 2.4 Feedback loop. Once a solution is decided upon, keep an open channel for feedback. Adjust and refine as needed. Conflict is natural in any group setting. It's not about avoiding it, but handling it constructively. 3.1 Stay calm and respectful. Disagreements are about the issue, not the person. Avoid name-calling or personal attacks. 3.2 Seek to understand. Ask questions to grasp the root of the disagreement. More often than not, conflicts arise from misunderstandings. 3.3 Compromise. Find middle ground. Remember, the group's goal is more important than individual preferences. So, there you have it. Embrace the beauty of collaborative problem solving and watch your group dynamics transform. We hope this video has equipped you with the tools you need to thrive in group study sessions. Until next time, keep learning and growing together.